It didn't let me go through. Oh, everyone back out.
Alright.
Not here.
We don't need everyone.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be right back, guys. I need to get a midnight snack. Let's see what we got here. Not a whole lot to choose from. Well, I guess I'll just check the pantry then. Nothing here either. I guess I'll just get some eggs then. I'll eat anything. The hell? What the f- Oh my. Oh my. What the? Oh my god. 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 A board game and a cat? I wonder. Damn, this thing. Man. Forget the genie. What else can I get out of this thing?
Ho, 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 it's magic. You know. Never believe it's not so. It's magic. You know. Never believe it's not so. Never been awake. Never seen a day break. Leaning on my pillow in the morning. Lazy day in bed. Music in my head. Crazy music playing in the morning light. Ho, 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 it's magic. You know. Never believe it's not so. It's magic. You know. Never believe it.
Man, I can't believe all the stuff I got out of this damn fridge. Jesus Christ. Oh, just look at all this. I mean, I couldn't exactly pick what I wanted, but damn. eBay? What? What the hell is this? Is that a clicking noise? What is this? A bomb? Oh shit!